Good morning, students. Today is day 7. Today we will discuss the 1 mark question, or we can say MCQ or 1 mark word questions related to matrix and determinants. For example, first question is, if B is a skew symmetric matrix, write whether A, B, A transpose is symmetric or skew symmetric. Now, first of all, B is skew symmetric matrix. If B is skew symmetric matrix, then B transpose equals to minus B. Now we have to find that A transpose is a symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix. Now we transpose, we have to find, so we take the transpose of this whole equation. This becomes A transpose into A transpose, A transpose into A transpose. This becomes AB transpose. So we split this equation into two parts. A transpose into A transpose, AB into transpose. Now A transpose upon transpose is always equals to A. Now AB transpose, we know the formula of AB transpose is B transpose A transpose. But we know B transpose equals to minus B. So this becomes minus A transpose. The value of this is this. So this is A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. I repeat, B is a skew symmetric matrix, means B transpose equals to minus B. Now we have to check whether this is skew symmetric or symmetric. So we find the transpose of this whole equation. We split this equation into two parts: A transpose into transpose and AB into transpose. A transpose upon transpose is always equals to A. Now what is the formula of AB transpose? B transpose A transpose. But we know the value of B transpose is minus B. So the value of this becomes minus A transpose. So the sign is minus. So this becomes skew symmetric matrix. Now we shift to the other question. If A and B are symmetric matrix, check whether A is symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. Now A and B are symmetric matrix. If A and B are symmetric matrix, then A transpose equals to A and B transpose equals to B. Now we have to find AB is symmetric or skew symmetric. So we find the transpose of ABA. This becomes A transpose into AB transpose. Now A transpose. Now what is the formula of AB transpose? B transpose A transpose. Now A transpose equals to A, B transpose equals to B, A transpose equals to B. So the sign is positive. So ABA is symmetric matrix. Now we shift to the 1 mark question related to matrix and determinants. Now the first question is, find X if this matrix is a singular matrix. Now what is a singular matrix? If the determinant of any matrix is 0. So 2 sin x, 3, 1, 2 sin x. So this becomes, when we find the determinant of this matrix, 4 sin square x minus 3 equals to 0. Now 4 sin square x equals to 3. So sin square x equals to 3 by 4. Sin x equals to root 3 by 2. But we know the value of root 3 by 2 is sin 60. So the value is 60. We can write pi by 3. So single matrix is a matrix whose determinant is 0. And to find determinant, we cross multiply. The value of sin x is root 3 by 2. But root 3 by 2 is sin 60. So 60 means pi by 3. Now shift to this question. If A be the square matrix, remember one thing, square matrix of order 3 by 3. Find the value of determinant 2a, where determinant a equals to 4. Now we have to find the value of determinant of 2a, where determinant a is 4. Now order is 2 by 2. Now the formula to find any determinant of order 2 by 2, 3 by 3 is this 2 becomes 2 cube, because the matrix is of order 3 by 3 determinant a. Now 2 cube equals to 8. Determinant of a is 4, which becomes 32. Similarly, if the matrix is 3 by 3 and the question is 4, matrix is 2 by 2, and we have to find the determinant 4a, where determinant a equals to 2. Now determinant 4a equals to 4, 2, because order is 2 by 2. Determinant a 16 into determinant, the value of determinant a is 2. The answer is 32. Now the third question. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. The condition is this: 3a equals to k into determinant a. Now the order is 3 by 3. So the value of determinant 3 becomes 3 cube into a equals to k into determinant a. So determinant a cancel. 27 equals to k. Now shift to this question. The value of a is this, the value of b is this. Find the order AB. We have to find the order AB. Now what is the order of A? Order of A is 2 into 3, row 2, column 3. So 2 into 3. Order of B is 1, 2, 3, column 2, 3 into 2. So if we multiply A cross B, the order of AB becomes 2 into 2. So this is a final results. For example, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is the order of 2 by 2. This is the order 1, 2, 2 by 3. Now A, we have to find the order of AB. Now what is the order of A? 2 by 2. What is the order of B? 2 by 3. So the resultant order is 2 into 3. Now these are another example of 1 mark question. The question is, if matrix A is symmetric as well as skew symmetric. Matrix A is symmetric as well as skew symmetric. If A is symmetric, then A transpose is A. If A is skew symmetric, then A transpose equals to minus A. Now equation first, second. From these two equations, we can say that A equals to minus A. So A plus A equals to 0, 2A equals to 0, A equals to 0. If A equals to 0, then A is not a unit matrix. Unit matrix is a matrix whose principal diagonal elements are 1. So now the value of A is 0. So A is not unit matrix. Now another question. What is the condition for M and N for which a matrix A equals to Aij M into N is said to be rectangular or square? Now M into N is order, I is row, J is column, A is a matrix. So rectangle. What is the condition for the rectangle for M and N? M not equals to N. And in the square matrix, we know the square matrix is a matrix when the rows, number of rows equals to number of columns. So M equals to N. So these are the two conditions. In a rectangle, the number of rows not equals to the number of columns. So M not equals to N. But in square matrix, the number of rows always equals to the number of columns, so m equals to n. Now we shift to this question. Now what is if A and B are symmetric matrix? A and B are symmetric matrix. It means A transpose equals to A, B transpose equals to B. Now we have to find AB minus BA. Is this symmetric or skew symmetric? So we transpose the whole equation. Now this becomes AB transpose minus BA transpose. Now what is the formula of AB transpose? B transpose, A transpose. What is the formula of BA transpose? A transpose, B transpose. B transpose means B, A transpose means A transpose means A, B transpose means B. Now we take a minus common, so AB minus BA. So the value of AB minus B transpose is this, the sign, negative sign. So it means AB minus BA transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Now there is another concept related to a 1 mark question. Now in this question, if in a square matrix the determinant of adjoint A is always equals to the determinant of A raised to power n minus 1. So remember this formula. Now in this question, if A is a square matrix of order 3, now the value of n is 3. The value of n is 3, such that adjoint A equals to 64, find determinant of A. Now adjoint A equals to 64, but the formula is determinant A into n minus 1 equals to 64. The value of n is 3 minus 1 equals to 64. Determinant of A 2 equals to 64. 64 means 8 square. So determinant of A is plus minus 8. Now we shift to this question. Now in this question we have to find the value of this. So we can write this equation as determinant A into adjoint A. Now what is the value of determinant A? 5. What is the formula of adjoint A? Determinant A into n minus 1. What is n? 3 minus 1. So 5 into determinant of A is 5 into 2. So 5 into 25, which is equals to 125. I repeat, we have to find the determinant of A into adjoint A. We separate the equation into two parts, determinant A and determinant of adjoint A. The value of determinant A is given 5, and the formula of adjoint A is determinant of A raised to power n minus 1, n is 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. Determinant of A is 5, 5 square 25, 25 minus 5 is 125. Now we shift to this question. The last, adjoint A equals to 225. The formula is A raised to power n minus 1. What is n? 3. So 225 is 15 square. So determinant A equals to 15 square. Cancel, determinant A equals to 15. Now if determinant A equals to 15, then the transpose of determinant is also equals to 15 in square matrix. Remember, if determinant A equals to 15, the transpose of determinant is also equals to 15 if the matrix is square matrix. Sure.